In this video, I'm going to show you a clean pullback trading strategy that focuses on one thing only: entering trends at the right moment, not chasing them. The idea is simple. We first identify a clear trend, then we wait for price to pull back into key support or resistance zones, and only enter once momentum confirms that the trend is ready to continue. No guessing, no early entries, and no fighting the market. I'll break this down step by step and then walk through live buy and sell examples using the replay feature so you can see exactly how the setup forms and how the entry is taken in real time. So I'm on TradingView. Let's add the first indicator of our strategy to the trading chart. Open the Indicators tab from here and search for GMMA Oscillator created by Just Uncle L. Add this one to the trading chart. This indicator takes the classic Guppy multiple moving average system and converts it into an oscillator, which makes momentum much easier to read. Instead of staring at multiple moving averages on price, you get a clean oscillator that shows the relationship between short-term traders and long-term investors. When momentum is strong, the oscillator moves away from zero. When momentum weakens, it comes back towards zero. The green line is the main GMMA momentum line, and the orange line is the signal line. The white dotted line in the middle is the zero level, and this level is extremely important for pullback trading. Let's quickly add the second indicator we will be using to the trading chart also. Open the Indicators tab again and search for support and resistance zones by Harry 8 times. Add this one to your trading chart. This indicator automatically marks key support and resistance areas based on real price structure, not random lines. These blue zones are areas where price has reacted strongly in the past, and that makes them perfect levels to watch during pullbacks. We're not predicting reversals here. We're using these zones as confirmation that the pullback is ending and the trend is ready to continue. Now, before we look at examples, the most important rule is this: we only trade in the direction of the trend, no exceptions. If price is making higher highs and higher lows, we only look for buy setups. If price is making lower highs and lower lows, we only look for sell setups. If the market is choppy or stuck in a range, we do nothing.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Waiting is also a position. Let me show you the first buy example. In this example, price is clearly in an uptrend. You can see higher highs, higher lows, and price holding above previous structure. Now price makes a strong push-up, then starts pulling back. This is exactly what we want. During this pullback, I'm watching the GMMA oscillator closely. You'll notice that the green line dips slightly and crosses below the orange signal line for a moment, but both lines stay above the zero level the entire time. That tells us this is not a trend change. It's just a temporary pullback inside a strong uptrend. Now as price pulls back, it comes right into one of our blue resistance zones, which now acts as support. This is important. Old resistance becomes new support in an uptrend, and then we see a strong bullish candle close back above that zone. At the same time, the green GMMA line crosses back above the orange signal line while still staying above zero. This is the moment momentum comes back in the direction of the trend. That candle close is my buy entry. You can also open a buy position here. The stop loss goes below the recent swing low of the pullback, and the take profit is set at least 1.5 to 2 times the risk. That depends on you. As the price continues, you can see price pushes higher and cleanly reaches the target. No stress, no chasing. Now let's look at a second buy example, because consistency matters more than one good trade. Again, we're in an uptrend. Price rallies, then pulls back more slowly this time. The pullback lasts a bit longer, but notice something important. The GMMA oscillator never drops below zero. Momentum weakens, but it never flips bearish. Price again reacts inside a blue support zone. What we are looking for here is one big candle, or even consecutive smaller bullish candles showing rejection. Right after that, the green GMMA line crosses back above the orange line. That's my confirmation. I enter the buy on the candle close. Stop below the pullback low. And a fixed risk to reward ration of 1 to 1.5 or maybe even 2. That depends on your risk management strategy. As we can see, price moved higher and eventually hitting the target. This is a textbook pullback continuation trade. Now let's flip everything for sell trades. Same rules, just reversed. First, sell example. Price is in a clear downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, structure is clean. Price makes a strong move down, then starts pulling back upward. During this pullback, the GMMA green line crosses above the orange briefly, but both lines stay below the zero level. That's the key detail. Momentum is weak bullish, but overall still bearish. As price pulls back, it may run into the blue support zone from earlier, which now acts as resistance. Replay forward, and we see a strong bearish candle close below that zone. At the same time, the green GMMA line crosses back below the orange signal line while still staying under zero. That is our sell confirmation. Entry is on the candle close, stop loss above the pullback high, and target set at least 1.5 times the risk. Price continues lower and hits the target cleanly. Now one more sell example to really lock this in. Again, downtrend is clear. Price pulls back deeper this time, and some traders would panic here. But the GMMA oscillator keeps us grounded. Even during the pullback, both lines remain below zero. That tells us sellers are still in control. Price touches the resistance zone, stalls for a moment, then prints a strong bearish candle closing below the zone acting as the support. Right there, the green GMMA line crosses back below the orange. That's our signal. Entry on close, stop above the swing high, target set below recent lows. Replay forward and price drops again, completing another clean sell trade. This is why this strategy works so well. You're not trying to predict tops or bottoms. You're not fighting the market. You're letting price move first, waiting for the pullback, and then using momentum and structure together to time your entry. The GMMA oscillator tells you when momentum is ready to continue, and the support and resistance zones tell you where that continuation is most likely to happen. As always, no strategy is perfect. Losses will happen. That's why risk management matters. Keep your risk per trade small, be consistent, and don't overtrade. If the setup isn't clean, you skip it. Simple as that. That's the full pullback strategy using GMMA oscillator and support and resistance zones. If you have questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.